Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to fix Forza Horizon 5 sign-in needed error. Firstly, try to check for Xbox status server outages. Open the official Xbox status page in your browser and look for any limited or major service outages. If there's an outage, you'll need to wait until Microsoft resolves it. This could take a few hours to a couple of days, and if no outages are reported, continue to the next step. Delete the credential device keys. Press Windows plus S and type Credential Manager. Select Credential Manager from the search results and go to Windows Credentials. Look for XB1 and XBGRTS device key. Select each one, click Remove and confirm with the yes. Close the control panel, restart your PC, and when you launch Forza Horizon 5, you'll be prompted to sign in again, enter your credentials to continue. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you guys for watching, and please be sure to like and subscribe for our channel for more tips and tricks like this.